embellish it.
Yeah.
But then overall for like the bulk order, just order it through here.
Yeah.
It'd be like, we want them like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what I would do. Yeah, I would definitely do that.
Bring the sample here.
Bring the sample here that I do, show them.
We can even ship the sample to
Get
the factory, maybe.
I'll have to send it to him. I would go get
Okay.
one, make it, bring it to
Make
you,
two.
show you, make two.
Yeah.
I'll get
Okay.
2, yeah. Get one to
One for
him,
him and keep
one for
one.
here, so they can see everything.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
makes more sense.
Yeah, definitely.
That
And then
makes
how
more sense.
many units do y'all get like a month?
Me, this month, I probably did like 400 shorts.
400 shorts?
And that's just shorts.
Yeah. And then you
So-
get them by like the 100 you said, or I remember you
It
said.
depends. Like, let's say people order Monday through Friday. I'll see what they order by Friday. Let's say they ordered 100, then I would buy 100.
Okay.
Like, I do it like that.
Oh,
It's
okay.
kind of like they pre-ordered it, kind of low key.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
drop
yeah.
shit. Cause I don't spend my,
And I'm
I
doing,
spend
like-
their money.
Yeah. No, that's smart.
I'm doing consistent orders like
Yeah,
every week.
he do shit every week.
Like
Yeah.
I just did Sierra Tour shit. That was like 1,000 pieces.
T-shirts.
Nah, t-shirts, sweatpants, hoodies, long sleeves, and hats
And
and,
then
beanies.
how long